Thank you so much. I'm very grateful for this honor. I truly wanted to thank the National Inventors Hall of Fame. This means so much to me. I guess, first of all, I want to thank my wife for the loving support that she's given me for 36 years of marriage. Nancy, she's sitting over here. And also for the love and support of my daughters, my three wonderful daughters, Alyssa, Annika, and Erica. They're not here tonight, but they're always in my heart. I truly want to thank my mom and my dad also, who raised me to pursue my dreams and to be a good steward of our precious planet. It's the only one we have. It's the place we live. My dad first lit my innovative fire by challenging me to find a better way to do almost everything, including building soapbox derby cars together. We did that when I was growing up. And I grew up in Michigan's copper country. Those of you who may know it, the Cuban Peninsula. I had a natural interest in geology and in the native copper that we could find around us, actually, in the pavement and in poor rock piles from the mines that had closed. My dad knew about this and my interest, and he really encouraged me to pursue a career in metallurgy at Michigan Tech. And that was the start of my lifelong career there in that subject. Diving deeper into science to pursue a PhD instead of being a ski bum in the Rockies was another good turn that I made. I love to ski, but I think I love metallurgy more. Thankfully, my graduate advisor at the University of Wisconsin in Madison was willing to accept my passion for skiing in the West if I cranked out some extra results every time just before I left. So I was very grateful for that. Both Iowa State University and my Ames Lab family for the past 29 years have always made my research path brighter, smoothing the bumps, and providing the critical collaborations that we all need to accomplish great things. I also wanted to thank my many industrial friends, including Tetsuro Nishimura here tonight, who believed in our invention from the beginning and helped the world to value it. So thank you once again.